compared to where I am. You hit me right between the eyes by the time I'm down the fourth. If I'm just living or working, living, what the hell am I living for? I don't want to waste my time wondering what if. Regret someday all the things I never did. So right here, right now, it's my life to live. I'm gonna pop the top and start checking off my beer bucket list. Gonna take the cash that I put back and get that roadster running again. Take what's left and just head west, surprise a few old friends. I hear the marlin are born to fight down off the Cabo coast. It might just be a bunch of drunk talk, but I won't know if I don't go. I don't want to waste my time wondering what if. Regret someday all the things I never did. So right here, right now, it's my life to live. I'm gonna pop a top and start checking off my beer bucket list. So right here, right now, it's my life to live. I'm gonna pop a top and start checking off my beer bucket list. Yeah, one time around, that's all we get. So let's pop a top and start checking off my beer bucket list. Pop a top and start checking off that beer bucket list.